Good morning guys, Rose again here of Kiroky Fraco, and today I'm so excited because this morning I'm going to share you some of exercises which those target tummy muscles, love handles, and it helps to have a small waistline. The legs. Let's do 15 times. This is how you do it without resting. Okay, so let's start our first exercise. So 45 seconds, planking. Okay guys, so our second exercise is crunches. Magbibilang tayo ng 1 to 20. 20 reps each side. So our third exercise, so lie down. So gagawin natin itong exercise na to for 20 times. Guys, our fourth exercise is a bit complicated, so we're just gonna do it for 10 times. So my side oblique siya, and then push up at the same time. So up, and then right leg, and then down. 1, 2, try nyong ibaba, push up, 3, 4, Oh my God. Our fifth exercise, we're on like stretching. So up. Gawin din natin for 20 times. And then bend back. Okay, so let's proceed sa ating stretching. Okay, and then up muna tayo sa ating yung kamay natin. And then medyo bilang pause ng few seconds and then down. There you go, guys. So guys, in our next video, God bless.